Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can become Princess Peach from Super Mario and create this look in Dress to Impress. In this DTI tutorial, we are recreating the iconic Princess Peach look with a fashion forward twist. And let's just get started. First, you can start with the hair. So I'm going to use this hair first, but to go it into only bangs, and I'm going to color it blonde. And then this updo hair, the one with this Harley Quinn hat hair, to go it into only bangs and use the same color like the previous hair. And lastly, you can go to the curly category and use this hair. And to go it into no bangs, then color it the same. So once you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfits. And first, I'm going to go to the closet or to the dressing room and use the code items for the dress. This one, but only use the color. So click on just color and color it pink. So this is the pink color that I'm going to use. Change all of it for the color. You can copy my text code in here and then click on this skirt. For the first color, use this color, this pink color, this one. And the second one is the color, and the rest of them like the color. Okay, so once you're done with the skirt, you can find here. I'm going to wear this t-shirt on top and use the same pink color. Remove the image and then put on this tank top with the heart on it. And color it pink and blue. You can use this hex code if you want to for the blueprint 248585. And for the shoe, I'm going to just use these heels and color it pink like this. And I'm going to use this shoulder puff with the same pink, a soft pink color. And lastly, you can just put on some accessory like this gloves in here and also the earrings. You can also put a crown if you want to, but I'm going to skip that part. And for the earrings, I'm going to use the same color like the blue one on the dress. So this is it. This is the outfit for Princess Peach. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.